I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Jeep Wrangler hood latch. First, gather your essential tools for this project. You will need a T40 Torx bit and a ratchet to remove the fasteners. A small flathead screwdriver can also be helpful for prying. Remember to always wear safety glasses to protect your eyes. Having the right tools makes this job much smoother and safer for everyone involved. Now let's remove the old latch. Open your Jeep's hood and find the two Torx bolts holding the upper latch in place. These are typically T40 size. Use your ratchet and Torx bit to carefully loosen and remove both bolts. Once the bolts are out, you can gently pry the old upper latch assembly away from the hood panel. It should come off without too much force, revealing the mounting holes. With the old latch removed, it's time to install the new one. Take your new upper latch assembly and carefully position it over the existing bolt holes on the hood. Insert the two Torx bolts and hand tighten them first to ensure proper alignment. Once you are satisfied with the fit and alignment, use your ratchet to fully tighten both bolts securely. Do not over-tighten, but make sure it's firm. Finally, let's perform some crucial checks. Close your Jeep's hood and test the new latch to ensure it engages securely and holds the hood firmly in place. Open and close it a few times to verify smooth operation and proper alignment between the upper and lower latch components. This ensures your hood is safe and secure. And speaking of upgrades, check the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to make your life easier.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.